Remini versus PicMa Photo Enhancer comparison. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you're well. In this video I'm going to compare Remini versus PicMa all new Photo Enhancer in front of Remini. So I'm already compared a lot of photo enhancers with Remini. If you want to watch my previous video, so I'm provided the link in the description. So now compare the Remini versus PicMa. First of all, if you look at the UI user interface, both apps user interface is really good, but Remini is really clean and to the point. Only photo enhancer feature is available and there is no ad here and there in Remini. But PicMa app shows you ad again and over again when you select photo and photo processing, then ad show you when you click on the save button or download button, then again 5 or 15 seconds ad appear. Mean PicMa shows you ads again and over again, but Remini doesn't. Remini only provide you the photo enhancer, but PicMa provide you some other features like Remini provide you in previous versions, but now Remini only focus on the photo enhancer. For this comparison, I'm selected 3 different type of photos. One low resolution, second nighttime or artificial lighting. In addition, Selena Gomez's old photo. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make you consider subscribe to appreciate my hard work. Because a lot of users watch and don't subscribe, so please consider subscribe to appreciate my hard work. So I'm speeding up this process up to 16 times because your precious time is really important. But before we get started, please consider subscribe. Let's check out side-by-side comparison. So as you can see here, the first photo original versus Remini versus PicMa. So Remini did really well in this photo in my opinion. So here is the second photo. In this photo, honestly speaking, PicMa did well in comparison to Remini in my opinion. So in the third photo, Remini again did really well, but PicMa is head to head with Remini. Any queries or question regarding this video, so please let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider subscribe. And if you need original photos, so please do let me know in the comment section and provide you the Google Drive link. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.